fully captured the electricity of live performance. Until now. Introducing Steinway Sons Spirio, the world's finest high-resolution player piano. A masterpiece of artistry and engineering in your home. Spirio enables you to experience performances captured by great pianists that are utterly indistinguishable from live performance. Spirio is, first and foremost, the world's finest piano, a Steinway, the choice of 98% of all concert pianists, handmade of the finest materials, with a rich, sonorous color palette exclusive to the Steinway. The soft trills, delicate pedaling, and thundering fortissimos are reproduced with unparalleled accuracy. Akin to the megapixel revolution of the digital camera, Steinway offers an exclusive high-resolution experience, preserving all of the music. Every nuanced dynamic level created by the velocity of hammer movement, every shade of resonance measuring the pedals proportionately, now at your fingertips. The vast and constantly growing Spirio library is controlled with the included Apple iPad. There is nothing to set up, and scroll through hundreds of artists and thousands of performances. Select one and enjoy. The intuitive interface lets you browse your way, whether by genre, theme, or performer. You can search, make your own playlist, or select a Steinway playlist. It's like having a music concierge. New world-class performances are added to the Spirio library every month at no additional charge. Captured live in Steinway's master recording studios in New York City, Hamburg, and Shanghai. The nuance and full range of emotion from each artist's performance is assessed, evaluated, and approved by the artist, assuring artistic quality and integrity. Spirio Sync offers an unparalleled visual and aural experience. Choose video performances from contemporary artists and Steinway immortals alike. Imagine sitting next to Duke Ellington as he performs Satin Doll. Steinway Sons Spirio, the world's finest high-resolution player piano. Experience Spirio today.